Okay, so first, these two dots I have in my face, I applied L'Oreal Paris Lumi Glotion Natural Glow Enhancer in 902. And this is, I apply this before my foundation just to have a overall highlighting glowy base. And I'll put it on the back of my hand. And now I'm just rubbing it across my face with my fingers. I think this is a better application. I think applying it with your fingers is a better application than using a brush, because it really, if you apply it with your fingers, it applies more, what's that called? It sinks into your skin better. Your skin absorbs it and it just sticks to it better than a brush. Oops. So after applying the Lumi Glotion by L'Oreal Paris, this is how my face turned out. As you can see, very glowy and highlighted. This is perfect for the summer if you're trying to get that dewy, glowy look. Next, I'm going to apply Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation plus Concealer. And this is in 14 Vanilla. And I'm just going to apply it right here, mostly where I have blemishes, pimples. Mostly everywhere. But I'm really concentrating where I see the blemishes and dark spots across my face. Now I'm going to use this makeup sponge to apply the foundation. It's by Real Techniques, and I'm just going to use tapping motions to apply the foundation throughout my face. I'm just tapping lightly. Now I'm going to apply some more Clinique foundation plus concealer on my other blemishes to really cover it up, because it's not full coverage, it's medium coverage. But and now I'm going to apply the foundation, or blend it out on my throughout my jawline. Sorry. And don't forget to blend out the foundation on your nose. That's where it accumulates more. So just don't forget to blend the foundation on your nose. If you have any creases on your nose, just really tap on your nose to blend it out. Really concentrate on that area, like I do, like I am. So you have a seamless application. Okay, so I did my eyebrows off camera. I used ABH, Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in ash brown, and there's really not a trick to it. I just shape them the natural shape of my eyebrows and then fill them in, brush them down, and use some Makeup Forever gel. And I'll link other products that I use for this look on the description down below, so don't forget to take a look at that. And so now I applied Sephora Brightening Concealer, Bright Future Concealer in 05 Parfait, I think it's called. And I apply this where I need some to highlight the highest points of my face, if that makes sense. It usually is on my nose, on the side of my mouth, my chin, and under my eyes. And I also applied some on my eyelids. That's going to serve as my eyeshadow primer, but I would suggest using a eyeshadow primer instead of the concealer. I just couldn't find mine, but that would work best if you use a primer, an eyeshadow primer for the eyeshadow look. So now I'm going to use AIRSPUN COTY loose powder, and I'm going to use my Belk Techniques to set that powder in, and also I'm going to use a powder brush all over my face and also under my eyes to make sure there's no creasing. So now onto the eyes. Like I said, I would suggest or recommend to apply the eyeshadow primer instead of the concealer, but I couldn't find mine. So now this is just like a regular lipstick that I found at the drugstore. I forgot which brand it is, but then I'm going to use a pencil brush to get some product off the lipstick. Just a little, just a small amount. You can begin with a small amount, and then I'm going to follow or line the natural crease of my eye, and do this very softly and even strokes. Begin with a small amount, and you can add some more later on. Now, Soft Glam Palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna apply first Dusty Rose with a Wet n Wild larger eyeshadow and eye pencil or pencil brush. It's a bit larger than the first one that I used. And now I'm going to use a fluffy blending brush, a medium size or small one, or small blending brush to blend out the Dusty Rose across the line that I created with the lipstick. I'm going to cover this or blend it out so it'll look like just in case if I have any creasing, it'll look more seamlessly and a better application. And now I'm going to apply the same Sephora Bright Future Concealer along my lid. And as you see, there's an hard lines, like strokes, uneven strokes, but we're going to fix that later on. So you want to bring down the concealer where the line where you ended it. Usually I like to end the line where my eyeshadow or my eyebrow ends. That's where I wanted the line to end. When I say line, the line that you created with the lipstick using the pencil brush, and that's where also your concealer is going to end. Wherever you ended the line that you created with the lipstick, that's where the concealer is going to end. And I'm just adding some more the lipstick shade. I'm just add a little bit more, and then I'm going to add tempera to cover, to set in and cover the concealer. I'm going to use the brush that came with the eyeshadow palette. Next, I'm going to use the other end because it's a dual-ended brush. So I'm going to use the blending side to blend in the burnt orange onto above the line crease that we created. So I'm just going to blend that a little bit. Now I'm going to apply glistening on my eyebrow bone. I'm going to highlight also my inner corners with the same shade, which is glistening, and also for my crease, my line crease, I use some glitter from the Tarte Cosmetics finger foil, and this is, I forgot what the name of it is, but if you have any glitter will work with this look. I'm using a very tiny eyeshadow brush to apply the glitter with. I'm going to go with Dusty Rose again. Use it with the large pencil brush. I'm going to apply this on my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna go in with a like a plum shade glitter, plum glitter shade from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and apply this on my lash line. And then I'm gonna apply eyeliner. Any eyeliner that you have will do. I'm using a drugstore eyeliner from the L'Oreal Paris Cosmetics, the 16-hour wear. And also I'm going to use this, apply this on my lower waterline and upper waterline as well. I don't know if that's the technical name for it, but I just call it my lower and upper waterline. So I'm just going to apply this along my waterline. Next, I'm going to use Total Temptations mascara by Maybelline. You can find this drugstore, CVS, Walgreens, and Ulta. High definition pressed powder. I'm going to use this fan brush to have more precise and better application. For blush, I'm going to use Too Faced Bluff Hangover. Looks like this little tiny one. It's like a sample I got from Sephora. For my lips, I used a light pink liner and lipstick. Both of them are from L'Oreal Paris. One is the lip liner is from the Infallible makeup line, and the other one, I'm not sure. I'll add it on the description box below. And that's it for this video, you guys. And if you like this video, please, if you learned anything from watching this video, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below with any questions you might have. And I'll see you next time with